Have you ever seen those viral AI videos where a 3D object suddenly pops out the moment someone touches their sketch on paper? Yeah, those mind-blowing clips that get millions of views on TikTok. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that kind of video yourself. Super easily. Here's the secret sauce. We're using a special text prompt that makes AI generate that 3D transformation effect. All you have to do is fill in the object name. It can be anything, an animal, a mythical creature, a famous person, you name it. For example, let's say I'll use Megalodon. That's the giant prehistoric shark, perfect for a dramatic effect. So first, I copy the prompt that I've already filled in with my chosen object. Then I head over to my favorite AI video generator. In this case, I'm using Veo 3.1 on the Flow website. Once I'm there, I start a new project to generate a fresh video. After that, I select the text-to-video feature, paste my prompt into the text box, and open the settings menu. Inside, I set the aspect ratio to portrait, since I'm making a vertical style video, perfect for TikTok. I also choose the Veo 3.1 fast generation model, so the rendering process doesn't take too long. When everything looks good, I just hit the send button and wait a few minutes for the system to do its thing. And honestly, watching the result appear feels so satisfying, like seeing my sketch transform into reality. And there it is. My 3D Megalodon literally comes to life right from the sketch. It looks like something straight out of a movie, but it's all made possible by AI. Crazy, right? So yeah, that's how you make those viral 3D sketch videos that everyone's been going crazy about. Super easy, super fun, and totally worth trying. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what object you'd try next. Maybe a dragon, a robot, or even your own face. Let's get creative.